Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to share a simple and easy to use business bookkeeping spreadsheet that can help you keep track of your income and expenses. This spreadsheet is designed to track different income sources and expense categories over a 12-month period, providing a detailed overview of your monthly, quarterly, and annual income and expenses. You can also set your monthly profit goals and monitor your progress towards achieving them. By consistently recording your income and expenses, you will gain a clearer understanding of which income sources perform the best and which expense categories are cutting into your profit. Let me guide you through how to use this bookkeeping spreadsheet step by step. First, go to the Start tab to set out your spreadsheet. Input your starting month and year. Any month and year will work and it will automatically list out the 12 months below. Set your monthly profit goal in the white cells next to the month and year to help you track progress. The actual column will display your actual profit. The status column will show either a green check mark if you have met your goal or a red cross if you haven't. You will be able to monitor your monthly, quarterly, and annual progress right from this tab. Next, customize your income sources and expense categories. You can set up to 20 of each. For this demonstration video, I will use an online store business as an example. To record your income transaction, go to Income tab, input the date, order number, product name, select the income sources from the drop-down list, enter the total revenue and sales tax collected. The net income will automatically calculate under the net income column. Now go to the Expense tab to record your expense transaction. Input the transaction date, sales order number, and product description. Select the expense category from the drop-down menu. Enter the total expense amount and tax paid. The net expense will also be calculated automatically. Once your income and expense data is entered, go to the Monthly Overview tab. Select the month from the drop-down list. To view a summary of your income, expenses, profit goal, net profit, and profit margin percentage. A table below shows each income sources and expense category with their monthly totals. On the bottom right, you will see a table and bar chart showing daily income and expenses for a quick visual summary. At the top, there is a breakdown chart of expense by category and the total amount of each expense category. If you want to change the chart to show income sources, just select Edit Chart and change the data range from G22 to H42 to B22 to C42. The Quarterly Overview tab lets you see a summary for a selected quarter. For example, choosing January 24 to March 24 will show total net income, net expense, profit goal, net profit, and profit margin percentage for that period. Below, you will see tables of each income sources and expense categories, quarterly total. A chart on the bottom right visually compares monthly income and expenses for the selected quarter. You can customize the breakdown chart here too, just like in the monthly overview. In the annual overview tab, you will find your total income, expenses, profit goal, average monthly profit, and profit margin percentage for the year. Tables below show monthly totals for each income sources and expense category. You can manually hide the empty row by selecting them. Right-click and select Hide Rows. The charts on the top shows monthly income and expenses, a breakdown of expenses category, and monthly net profit. Next, the Sales tab shows your monthly tax collected and paid, both in table and bar chart format. The Comparison tab lets you compare up to 3 income sources and 3 expense categories. The line graph helps you track the trend of each category over time. It also highlights the biggest income sources and largest expense category based on your selection. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the business bookkeeping spreadsheet. I highly recommend these tools for small business owners and freelancers. It helps you efficiently organize and track your business income and expenses, giving you the insight you need to analyze your performance on a monthly, quarterly, and annual basis. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more tips and tools to help grow your business. Do check the link in the description or comment section below to learn more about this business bookkeeping spreadsheet. Thanks again for watching until the end. See you in the next video.